What's your morning routine like?
In the morning, I follow a routine that helps me start my day well. I usually wake up around 7 a.m., although it depends on my schedule. The first thing I do after waking up is brush my teeth and wash my face to feel fresh and awake. Sometimes I take a warm shower if I have time, which helps me feel more energetic. After that, I head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I enjoy making simple meals like scrambled eggs with toast. While eating, I like to drink tea or coffee, depending on my mood. Once I've eaten, I get dressed, pack my bag, and make sure I have everything I need for the day. My mornings can feel a bit busy, but having a routine helps me stay organized and prepared.
What do you like to do in your free time?
During my free time, I like to do activities that help me relax or enjoy myself. There are days when I feel like watching my favorite TV shows. It's a great way to unwind. On other days, I enjoy reading novels or interesting articles online. If the weather is nice, I prefer going outside for a walk in the park. Sometimes I use free time to spend with friends, meeting them for a coffee. On weekends, when I have more time, I work on hobbies like baking something new, trying out a painting project, or playing video games. I also like exploring new places, like visiting a museum or a local market. Free time is a chance to focus on things that make me happy and recharge for the days ahead.
What's your typical lunch like?
For lunch, I make sure it's a meal that is both delicious and gives me the energy I need for the rest of the day. On most days, if I cook at home, I like to prepare rice with vegetables, chicken, or fish. When I don't feel like cooking, I opt for something simple like a sandwich filled with fresh ingredients such as turkey, cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes. On busy days, I might grab a quick lunch like a fruit salad and yogurt, but I try not to skip lunch because it's such an important meal. If I'm eating out, I enjoy trying different cuisines, such as Japanese sushi or Italian pizza. Lunch not only helps me stay focused, but also gives me a small break in the middle of the day to relax and enjoy my food.
How do you like to unwind after a long day?
After work or school, I usually like to wind down and relax after a long day. The first thing I do is grab a snack or a light meal to refuel my energy, like some fruit, nuts, or a sandwich. If I have homework or work tasks left to finish, I spend some time completing them. Once I'm done, I like to watch a TV series or some YouTube videos to relax. Sometimes, if the weather is nice, I go for a walk or do some light stretching exercises to help my body feel better after sitting for hours. If I'm feeling social, I might go out with friends or call someone for a quick chat. Evenings are usually a mix of being productive and taking time to relax at the end of the day.
What's your bedtime routine like?
To prepare for bedtime, I follow a few steps to help me unwind and get ready for sleep. First, I change into comfortable pajamas and make sure I brush my teeth and wash my face. Sometimes, if I had a long or tiring day, I take a warm shower to relax my muscles and feel fresh. After that, I turn off bright lights and do something calming, like reading a book. I also try to avoid looking at my phone for too long before bed, as it can make it harder to fall asleep. Once I'm comfortable, I lie down, close my eyes, and take deep breaths to help me fall asleep naturally. A good night's sleep is essential for feeling energized and ready for the next day.
How do you usually get around the city?
I mostly use public transportation, like buses and trains, as they are convenient and affordable. Since I live in a city, the public transport system is well developed, and it helps me get around quickly. I find it more practical than driving, because I can avoid dealing with traffic and parking. On days when I have shorter distances to travel, I prefer walking or cycling, because it's good for my health and the environment. Public transportation is a big part of my routine, and I appreciate how easy it makes commuting for me.
What's your go-to breakfast to start the day?
For breakfast, I like to keep things simple, but nutritious. On most days, I have some toast or a bowl of cereal with milk. I also enjoy eating fruits, like bananas or apples, because they are healthy and easy to prepare. Sometimes, if I have more time, in the morning, I cook eggs or make a smoothie. Breakfast is my favorite meal because it gives me energy to start my day. I try not to skip it, as I feel it's important to have something filling and healthy in the morning.
What sports do you enjoy watching or playing?
I enjoy watching sports, especially football and cricket. Watching a live match is always exciting because the atmosphere is full of energy and enthusiasm. I like to follow major tournaments with my friends, and we often discuss our favorite teams and players. Sports not only entertain me, but also teach valuable lessons about teamwork and perseverance. However, I don't watch sports very often, mostly during big matches or events. For me, it's more about having fun and connecting with others through the shared experience.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I enjoy mild and sunny weather the most, especially during spring. It's not too hot or too cold, and everything feels fresh and vibrant. I love spending time outdoors during this season, whether it's walking in the park, having a picnic, or simply sitting in the garden. Mild weather is perfect for doing activities comfortably without worrying about rain or extreme heat. While every season has its own charm, sunny days with a gentle breeze always lift my mood.
What challenges did you face while learning English?
When I started learning English, it was hard. I did not know many words and felt shy to speak. Listening English conversation videos helped me a lot. I also wrote simple sentences every day to practice. Sometimes I made mistakes, but I learned from them. I joined a small group to talk in English. This gave me confidence. Reading short stories also made learning fun. My tip for beginners is to practice a little every day. Don't be afraid to try. The more you practice, the better you get. It's okay to learn slowly. Keep going.
What are your favorite hobbies?
I have many hobbies, but my favorite one is painting. I love using colors to show my feelings. It makes me feel calm and happy. I also enjoy reading books. Stories take me to new and exciting places. Gardening is another hobby I love. I like planting flowers and taking care of them. Watching them grow makes me feel proud. Sometimes I write in my journal. Writing helps me share my thoughts and relax. Hobbies make life fun and interesting. They give me time to focus on myself. My tip is to try different hobbies. You can find one that makes you happy. Hobbies are a great way to feel good and even make new friends. They help you learn and grow every day.